Yes. Exercise 7.1. Question number 4. Check whether this and these are vertices of isosceles triangle. A triangle is given. A, B, C. A, B and C. And coordinate of A is 1, 5. Coordinate of A is 5, minus 2. And comma and B, vertices of B is 6, 4. And vertices of C are 7, minus 2. Okay. Now, how can you check that these are the vertices of isosceles triangle? Please tell me. Shlok Shukla.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please tell me that how can you check that these are the vertices of isosceles triangle? Yesterday I have discussed in the class. Please tell me. Any idea? Shreya Singh.
All sides of this triangle by using this formula.
Yes.
And if two sides would be equal, then it would be an isosceles.
Very good, very good. First of all, we will find out the sides AB, BC and CA by using distance formula. If any two sides of triangle are equal, then these are the vertices of isosceles triangle. First of all, we will find out the AB. AB by using distance AB. Distance AB. That is your x2 minus x1 plus y2 yes AB the vertices of A x1 y1 B x2 y2 6 minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 square. Any doubt, any problems? 6 minus 4. Yes.
I want to ask something.
Yes, what do you want to ask?
Yes, sir, here we are taking this half x2 and minus 5, we 5 as x1.
Yes.
तो सर हम यहाँ
बोलिए
यस सर तो यहाँ पे x2 मतलब ये एकदम कंपलसरी तो नहीं है ना कि हमें 6 ही बोल लेना है नहीं
6 क्या x
6 को मतलब x2 आपने लिया है
नहीं आप x1 ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम्स। अगर आप क्या है x1 माइनस x2 कर दोगे तब भी गलत नहीं होगा। अगर x2 माइनस x1 कर रहे हो तब भी ठीक है, x1 माइनस x2 कर रहे हो तब भी ठीक। रीजन क्या उसके पीछे? रीजन ये है जो स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है। अगर x1 माइनस x2 कर रहे हैं तो माइनस में आ रहा है, माइनस का स्क्वायर करें तभी प्लस आएगा, तो अगर प्लस का स्क्वायर करें तभी प्लस वही आएगा, सेम है, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, चेंज नहीं होगा उसमें, ठीक है।
ये सर मतलब मेरे पूछने का मोटिव यही था कि हम x2 x1 कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, ये मेंशन नहीं है।
हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम। उसमें आप क्या है, अगर आप उसको बी ए कर दोगे तब भी ठीक आएगा, ए बी कर लो तब भी ठीक है, बी ए करोगे तब भी ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसमें, नो चेंज, ओके। देखिए 6 minus 5 that is 1, 1 square of 1 is 1। अगर 5 minus 6 करते हैं, 5 minus 6 that is minus 1 square is 1, see that is 4 minus minus plus 4 plus 2 square, That is 136. That is root 37. Now distance BC. Now distance BC. Distance BC is distance BC. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. BC 7 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4. 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Now 7 minus 6 1 square minus 6 square 1 plus 36, that is root 37. Root 37. Root 37. And your AC. AC is distance AC. Distance AC. That is your AC. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Seven minus 5 minus 2 plus 2. 7 minus 5 plus minus 2 minus 2. minus 2 minus 2. यही है ना?
Yes. Yes, sir.
ओके, अब देखिए आप, that is square of 2. Square 2 square, that is minus 2 plus 2 square. That
Sir,
is
it's not clear.
minus 2 plus 2 square.
No, sir, it's not clearly visible. Means if board shading has plus.
Minus 2 plus 2 square. Not visible.
Zero. Sir, board is
Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Now, that is our seven minus 5. That is 2 square. Now visible.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
2 plus 2.
Minus 2 square.
It becomes 4 plus 0 square.
0 square.
That is root 4. That is equal to 2. Now I am observing that distance AB root 37, distance your distance BC root 37. Your AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC.
it is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal.
Yes. देखिए यहाँ पे we conclude that AB is equal to BC root 37. AB is equal to BC root 37. AB is मैं यहाँ पे इसे कर देता हूँ. कर दो यहाँ पे.
Yes.
AB is equal to BC. That is root 37. Therefore, the given vertices are of isosceles triangle. The given vertices are of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Do it fast. Champa and Chameli goes into the class. After observing the sitting of the students, Champa asks Chameli that the students are sitting in a square. Now, this is the sitting plan of the students. This is sitting plan of the students. Now, this is the A. Please tell me what is the coordinate of point A.
Point
3, 4.
3, 4. Observe your figure in the book and tell me the coordinate of point A, B. What is the B? Coordinate of B.
Coordinate of point C is 6,
6, 7.
6, 7.
7.
Yes. What is the coordinate of point C?
9, 4. 9, 4.
9, 4.
And
The
B
B
is
is 6,
1.
B is 6, 1. It means it lies in first quadrant. Now, to check it is a square, we have to find out the distance AB, distance BC, distance CD, distance AD, and AC. AD and AC. Distance AB. Question number 5th.
Sir,
Distance.
we need to prove all the equilateral triangles have equal, means all the triangles have equal coordinate, and then we can prove that it's a square.
Yes. If all sides are equals and both diagonals are equals, it is a square. It is a square. We have to check that. We have to verify it. Now x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Yes, AB. What is x2? 6 minus 3
6 minus 3.
plus 7 minus 4. 6 minus 3. 3 square plus 7 minus 4. 3 square.
3 square.
Square of 3 is
9.
9. Very good. Square of 3 is 9. 80. Yes, 80. 80. 2 into 3 into 3. Yes, 80. 3 root 2. 3 root 2.
Sir,
Yes.
in question we cannot use the distance formula.
Yes.
In question it is
Yes, distance formula. What happens?
we cannot use in this question. Here already we have.
No, sir, we can. Here it is written.
Most I can using distance formula.
Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Yeah?
Chameli disagrees with the fact that it is a square. Not she disagrees that we don't have to use distance formula. We have to use.
We have to use distance formula in this question and show that it is a square or not. To show that we have to find out all the side and both diagonals by using distance formula. We have to find out. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now AB. After that we will find out the BC. Distance BC. Okay. Distance BC. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Now BC. 9 minus 6, 4 minus 7. 9 minus 6, 4 minus 7. Yes, BC. that is 3 square and that is minus 3 square. BC, that is 9 plus 9,
Root 2.
that is root 18 and root 18 same as 3 root.
3 root 2.
Now next will be
So
your
3.
now AB, BC, after that CD and DA. CD, distance CD, distance CD. Same formula, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. What is x2?
So 6 minus 9.
6 minus 9, 1 minus 4. 6 minus 9, 1 minus 4.
The same answer. 3 root 2.
Yes, minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. That is your CD, distance CD. 9 plus 9. CD. Root 18.
3 root 2.
That is 3 root 2. 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Okay. Now find out the DA, distance DA. Do it fast.
Noted, sir.
Do it fast. Have you done?
Please scroll here. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast.
Done, sir.
Have you done? Now question number 6 as a homework.
Okay, sir.
I am suggest you that please draw first of all draw these points in a Cartesian plane. In a Cartesian, please plot these points. First of all, please plot these points in a Cartesian plane in a graph paper. After that, verify it. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. You have to verify same as it is.
6.
Same as it is. First of all, you will find out AB, BC, CD, and DA, AC, and BD also. Tina, I have discussed the properties of all the quadrilaterals, such as rectangles, parallelograms, square, and rhombus. Okay, which property is satisfied? Please tell that it is a parallelogram, it is a rectangle, yeah, square and rhombus. After verifying it, you can observe that it will be a rectangle, parallelogram, square and rhombus. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Okay. Now my question is question number 7. Question number 7. Try to solve the question number 6 as a homework. If you have any problems, you can discuss me tomorrow. Okay? Same as it is. Same as it is question number 6. Question number 6 same as it is. But out of 3, one part is such as there will be no quadrilaterals. First part, second part, first part या second part है, इनमें से एक part ऐसा है जिसमें क्या है क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. आप क्या है क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे दूसरे को. ओके, you will observe that when you plot these points in a Cartesian plane and join these points, you will observe that the rectangle is the quadrilateral is possible or not. In out of 3 parts है, इन 3 parts में से एक part ऐसा है जिसके अंदर क्या है आपकी क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट में क्या है आपके क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट इन द कार्टेशियन प्लेन. व्हेन यू विल ज्वाइन these line will intersect each other. If these line will intersect each other, then how quadrilateral will be possible? Okay. Plot these point in the Cartesian plane, join this point. After that राइट दैट नो क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज पॉसिबल। आपने इतना ही करना है, उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं करना उसमें। यू देयर इज नो नीड टू वेरीफाई दैट, आप उसको वेरीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है जब क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। ओके तो सेकंड पार्ट को आपने क्या करना है, सेकंड पार्ट को आपने कार्टेशियन प्लेन में पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करना है, उसको फिगर ड्रॉ करके छोड़ देना आप, ठीक है। फर्स्ट और क्या है थर्ड पार्ट, फर्स्ट और थर्ड पार्ट के अंदर क्या है, सच एज सेम वी हैव टू सॉल्व इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, you have to proceed it. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from this and this. देखिए question number 7. Point on x-axis. It means point on x-axis means what will be 0? Yes, what will be 0? X coordinate 0 या y coordinate 0? X coordinate will be there and y coordinate will be 0. Okay? It is equidistant from point A. A is, what is A? A is 2 comma minus 5.
2 comma minus 5.
And what is B?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 comma minus 9.
No sir, positive.
Minus 2 9 है ना?
Yes sir. Yes.
2 comma minus. Yes. Now find out distance AP. Distance AP. These distance are equal. These distance are equal. Equidistance. Now AP. Distance AP. How can you find out? x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Yes. That is x minus 2 0 x minus 2. That is your x minus 2 plus y2 minus y1. That is 0 plus 5.
Plus 5.
0 minus minus 5. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes. Now a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square b square minus 2. What is a? A is x, b is 2, and it becomes plus 5 square. That is 25. Okay.
Yes sir.
Now it becomes x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. X square minus 4x plus 29. Your next is AP, same as it is BP. BP x plus 2 0 minus 9. Distance BP. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. x2, what is x2? What is x2? Your x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus minus 9 whole square plus 0 minus
9.
0 minus 9. 0 minus 9.
it should be x minus minus 2.
माइनस 2 है ना यहाँ पे. ओके.
Yes,
ओके.
sir.
Now it becomes x plus 2 whole square and that is your 81. Now x square plus 4x plus 81. It becomes x square plus 4x plus 85. Any doubt, any problems? Now AP is equal to BP. Why? Even square of AP square is equal to BP square. Any doubt, any problems? Squaring on both sides. And your AP square will be x square minus 4x. X square minus 4x plus 29. And your BP square x square plus 4x plus 85. X square to x square cancel out. Now minus 4x 85 minus 29. It becomes minus 8x, that is 6, that is 56. X becomes minus 7. X becomes minus 7. X becomes minus 7. X is equal to minus 7. Now the required point is, what is the point? The required point on x-axis. On x-axis. That is P x0. That is P minus 7 and 0. Check the answer, please.
Yes, sir.